Today is April 24th, 2024. Got a little crossing update. First thing, the rail is gone. Remember, there was a piece of rail there. And there was a piece here. And I think if I remember correctly, there was a piece on the other side of the track. That's gone. Ballast is still here, still piled up. And now they got these guys piled up here. If I remember correctly, those were not here the last video. So I guess that's just a quick little update on what's going on. Yeah, that's the state of the track, basically. And then we come across over here. And yeah, there's a car coming. I should stay on this side. But no, we got some stuff here and stuff there. So yeah, that's the latest update on this crossing on the Hinckley sub. Stay tuned for more updates if I catch them.